Hello darlings, for today's video I'll be creating 4 looks with the Juvia's Plouise mini palette bundle, which includes the chocolates, the violets, the nudes, and the berries. The first palette I'm using is called the chocolates. As always, I'm creating a clean canvas with the Plouise base in shade 0.5, which is my favorite eyeshadow primer. Next, I'm packing this warm brown shade into my outer V and crease using the Morphe M506 brush. Once I've achieved a decent color payoff, I'm beginning to swipe my brush back and forth to blend that shade a little bit before using the lighter shade to blend it even further. Now I'm taking the lightest shade in the palette, which is this sort of mustard yellow color, and sweeping it back and forth along the outer edge of the dark brown shade. Next, I'm going back and applying a bit more of the brown shade to my crease just to darken the overall look. And then since I did that, I'm also applying some more of the yellow shade as well. To finish off the blend, I'm taking this clean fluffy blending brush and sweeping it along the upper edge of the yellow. Now I'm dipping into this shimmery copper shade and applying it to my lid, keeping it beneath my crease. Next, I'm adding a bit of the brown shade around that shimmery shade, and then I'm starting on my lower lash line. For this part, I'm just repeating the steps I did in my crease, so I'm first applying the dark brown and then blending it out with the yellow. Next, I'm highlighting my inner corner with the Touch & Soul Metallist Liquid Glitter Topper in Mono White. Now I'm adding a winged liner with the Urban Decay Perversion Fine Point Eye Pen. Now it's time for lashes. I'm first curling my lashes with the Kevyn Aucoin lash curler, then I'm applying the Benefit Bad Gal Bang mascara and popping on some visofree lashes in the style D20. To help the false lashes blend in with my real ones, I'm tightlining with the Urban Decay 24/7 Glide On Eye Pencil in Perversion. Finally, I'm applying mascara to my lower lashes. That completes the first look with the chocolates palette. Now let's move on to the violets palette. First, I'm priming with the Plouise base, then I'm dipping into this dark purple shade and packing it into my crease. I'm starting with the darkest shade first because I find it easier to blend shadows this way. Since I'm going for more of a rounded shape for this look, I'm applying the product from the outer corner of my eye to the inner corner. Now that we have a good color payoff, I'm taking this light purple shade on the M562 brush and sweeping it along the upper edge of the dark purple. This brush is great for precise blending, so I'm able to easily create a gradient from dark to light without taking the shadow too far out or up.
It shouldn't be unfair. I wanna go and I wanna know. Do you wanna follow? Baby, do you wanna follow? Come with me. Do you wanna follow? Baby, can't you see?
Now that I'm done blending, I'm cutting the crease using the JH42 brush and Plouise base. I'm creating a half cut crease, so I'm starting at my inner corner and rounding the base into my crease, stopping about 3/4 the way across my eye or at the other side of my iris.
Do you wanna follow? Baby, do you wanna follow? Come with me. Do you wanna follow? Baby, can't you see that? I wanna go and I wanna know. Do you wanna follow?
Once I let the base dry a bit, I'm ready to apply more of the dark purple shade into the outer V. Next, I'm applying this light purple shimmery shade to the area we cut out, and then I'm dipping into this dark purple shimmery shade and applying it in between the light shimmer and the matte purple in the outer V.
September, working after work, I stay up late on the weekdays. I never tell when we say. I never wanna look back and wish I could have been. I never got no regret. The hours I've been putting in, so take a chance on faith. Your mind's a bonus, please. So take a chance.
For my lower lash line, I'm first applying the dark purple and then I'm blending it out with the light purple.
So take a chance. I never wanna look back. Take a chance. Take a chance on faith.
To highlight my inner corner, I'm using the Touch & Soul Metallist Liquid Glitter Topper in Shot Violet. Now for my lashes, I'm curling them with the Kevyn Aucoin Lash Curler, applying some Benefit Bad Gal Bang Mascara, and popping on the visofree lashes in the style D20.
Take a chance on faith. It's too late now. It's something I know.
Next, I'm applying the Urban Decay 24/7 Glide On Eye Pencil in Perversion to my upper and lower waterlines and buffing out the lower so that it blends into the shadow.
No.
Finally, I'm adding mascara to my lower lashes. That completes the second look with the Violets palette. Now let's move on to the Nudes palette.
Got no regret.
To start, I'm patting the Plouise base onto my eyelid and allowing it to dry down by itself. Since I'm creating a full cut crease this time around, I'm mapping out the shape by applying this light pink shade to the crease and sweeping it out towards my temple.
So take a chance. I never wanna look back. Take a chance. Take a chance on faith. So take a chance. Take a chance on faith.
Next, I'm adding depth into the crease and dipping into this brown shade, which I'm applying beneath the pink.
Take a chance on faith. So take a chance. Take a chance on faith.
Now I'm applying a little more pink, and then I'm picking up this peachy beige shade and sweeping it across the upper edge of the rest of the shadow. To cut my crease, I'm using the JH42 brush and Plouise base. I love using this brush to cut the crease because it's super small and precise. Since I have hooded eyes, I'm applying the base above my natural crease, essentially faking my crease so that you'll be able to see the shape when I look forward naturally. Next, I'm dipping into this sparkly pink shimmery shade and applying it to my lid beneath the crease. Now I'm adding some more of the pink and brown shades to my lower lash line. For my inner corner and highlight, I'm using the Touch & Soul Metallist Liquid Glitter Topper in Hollow Glow. For lashes, I'm first using the Kevyn Aucoin Lash Curler, then applying the Benefit Bad Gal Bang Mascara, and popping on the visofree lashes in the style D20. For my upper waterline, I'm using the Urban Decay 24/7 Glide On Eye Pencil in Perversion, and for my lower waterline, I'm using the Note Cosmetics Automatic Highlighter Pencil, which makes the eyes appear larger. Finally, I'm applying mascara to my lower lashes. That completes the third look with the Nudes palette. Now let's move on to the Berries palette. First, I'm priming my eyelids with the Plouise base. Next, I'm packing this deep wine shade in my crease, going from the inner corner of my eye to the outer corner. Once I've applied that shade so that it's really opaque, I'm picking up this burgundy shade and applying it along the outer edge in order to blend it out. Next, I'm blending even more with this pink shade, which I'm sweeping back and forth across the top edge of the shadow, creating a nice gradient effect.
The night has come, it's cold and losing my control. Your light is gone, and lonely darkness fill my soul. I wish that you could save me from my isolation. It's way too complicated.
Now I'm going back and reapplying the wine, burgundy, and pink shades, since they may have lost some pigmentation during the blending process.
We got no relation.
To finish off the blend, I'm gently sweeping this clean, fluffy blending brush across the outer edge of the pink. Now I'm cutting my crease. This time I'm creating a halo eye, so I'm only cutting out the center of the lid. Once I've drawn on the shape, I'm tapping the base so that it becomes smooth, and then I'm applying some of the wine shade to the inner and outer corners of the eye.
Your light is gone, and lonely darkness fill my soul. I wish that you could save me from my isolation. It's way too complicated. Let's stop this conversation.
For the center of the lid, I'm swiping on this shimmery shade, which has an iridescent pink to copper shift.
We got no relation.
To blend that shimmery shade with the wine that's in the corners, I'm adding some of the burgundy shade in between them. For my lower lash line, I'm applying the matte shades that I used in my crease, including the wine, burgundy, and pink shades. To highlight my inner corner, I'm using the Touch & Soul Metallist Liquid Glitter Topper in Pink Funky. Next, I'm curling my lashes, adding the Bad Gal Bang Mascara by Benefit, and applying the visofree lashes in the style D20. For my upper and lower waterlines, I'm applying the Urban Decay 24/7 Glide On Eye Pencil in Perversion and buffing out the lower to create a smoky effect. Finally, I'm applying mascara to my lower lashes. And that completes the 4 looks using the Juvia's Place Mini Palette Bundle. Let me know which out of the 4 looks was your favorite in the comments below, and please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. See you next time!